In this particular question, a uniform magnetic field exists in a circular region of radius r. The magnitude of magnetic field at B is pointed inward. An electron flies into the region radially as shown. After a certain time, the electron deflected by the magnetic field and leaves the region. We need to determine the time interval during which the electron moves in this particular region. As electron is entering in a magnetic field, so the force experienced by electron in a magnetic field is q v cross b. So initially it is minus e v I cap cross minus b k cap, or e v b I cross k, that is e v b minus j cap. So electron experiences initially a force in downward direction. It means the trajectory of electron will be like this. With this particular trajectory, this is the center of curvature of the trajectory, and r be the radius of this particular trajectory. So radius of the trajectory is mv by e into b. This is the radius of curvature of this trajectory. Let this angle be theta. So for the duration for which electron remains in the magnetic field, that duration t is equal to theta upon 2 pi into the time period of revolution. So it is theta upon 2 pi into t, or it can be written as theta upon 2 pi into 2 pi m by e into b. So it is equal to theta m by eb. Now we need to find the value of this particular angle theta. As the velocity is tangential here, this is the tangent, this particular angle is 90 degree. This is also tangent, this is radius, and we have this angle to be theta by 2. So here from we can write small r upon capital R is equal to tan of theta by 2, or here from we can write theta is equal to 2 tan inverse small r upon capital R, where capital R we have already obtained, it is mv upon qb. So it is equal to 2 tan inverse EBR by mv. So here from we can find the time of flight within the magnetic field. T is equal to m by EB into twice of tan inverse EBR by mv, or that is equal to 2m by EB tan inverse EBR by mv. So this is the time of flight of electron in this particular magnetic field.